Hello, Easy Chefs. Welcome back to Easy Kitchen. I'm your chef, Tony. It's been 8 hours. I checked my brisket at 6 hours and it wasn't quite done, so I turned the heat up about another 75 degrees. I put it on 300. It was on 225. So it should be done. I checked it. I cut a little piece. I tasted it. Ooh, and it's good too. Let's take this out here. Oh, it's hot now. 13-pound piece of meat. Ooh, look at that. Let's cut into this. See what we're working with here. Big fork. Cut this little piece right here. See, I already cut that off. So we're gonna throw this on my plate. Got the fat part right there. But let's cut this. Let's cut this over here on the counter. Got my mashed potatoes there. I shouldn't need anything else. Nice and tender. Thanks, Nick Saylor, for giving me ideas on how to cook this brisket. Thank you, Brian, for the rub. We're gonna cut this fat part off right there. Got this big knife, this big fork right here. As you can see, you got the rub right there on the top. Cooking for 8 hours, it just permeated through all the meat. Yeah, that's good right there. You slow cook it. Don't burn it. Why do I have 2 forks? That's all right. It's all good. Creamy mashed potatoes. Nice, tender, juicy. There's flavor in every bite. Like I said, that's a 13-pound piece of meat right there. I'm not gonna eat by myself. It's the holidays, so I'm gonna have the family come over and we're gonna grill it. We're gonna tear this thing up. But right now, I'm gonna meal by myself a little bit, y'all. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notification bells so that you know when the videos are gonna drop. It's your Chef Tony, signing out. Peace.